a couple
He almost
glasses.
bit those kids, so I had to, grab him.
Get your foot off my foot!
Sorry.
He's not even on your foot.
He was just standing on my foot.
Ow! Angry Nana at her best. Nana, stop crying. Don't cry.
Brandon, watch her come over. Don't be nice.
Poor Kay, hurry.
I'm gonna pour KU right in the ass.
You know what? I got your keys and I can leave.
Yeah, sure you can. Give me my keys.
I know how to. I know how to.
Give me my keys. Okay, no sandwich.
No, please, Nana. I want a sandwich.
No sandwich for you.
Please.
No, because you're being too mean.
Here, have your keys. Angry Nana is in the process of moving.
Where's my cane?
Poor Kay. Okay, she gets. Here's her dog, Zoe. She's in the process of moving, as I said. Her house is really trashed.
Want that fucking dog out of here.
The dog that bit her is over there, and she's really mad about it. Here's your cane, poor Kay, Nana. There's that candy cap.
No, it's not.
Angry, Grandpa's biggest fan is Angry Nana, but she don't be angry so she can get views.
Okay.
She's crazy. Come on, Nana! Hurry up!
You don't shut up, Victor. You're not getting anything. Turn that thing off of me or you're not getting a sandwich.
Nana, are you gonna leave a tip for the person?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave him you.
Yes.
Nana, why do you gotta be so rude?
Close the door before you drive away. We're gonna go in order by our birth date. Victor, you go last. I go second. Brandon goes first. No, Nana goes first. Brandon goes second. I go. Great.
Alex, here's an idea. Why don't you shut up?
No. How about you?